2020 Dodge Challenger Widebody Scat Pack. And today we're gonna review it. What does exactly the Scat Pack mean? Is it fast and economical enough for daily use? Is it possible to build a Scat Pack as fast or even faster than the Hellcat with lower budget than the Hellcat price? So what are the differences and common features? And finally, what should you get? The Hellcat or the Scat Pack, especially if you want to modify it? Let's find out. Specs that claimed by manufacturer is a 6.4 liter V8 naturally aspirated engine, bigger engine than Hellcat, 8-speed automatic transmission. It generates 485 horsepower at the crank and 475 pound-feet of torque. The 0 to 60 is 4.3 seconds claimed by manufacturer. The top speed is 170 miles per hour. And these are just the numbers claimed by manufacturer. Now, we're gonna talk about the real numbers, talking to the owner.
What's up, guys? My name's Ugo. I go by JR, and this is my car. Widebody 392 2020. As he said, 0 to 60 in 4.3 seconds. I actually got it down to 4.0. That's the fastest I've done a 0 to 60. This is by far the best American muscle car stock from factory. Camaro's downgraded, actually. I'm sorry, Chevy owners. They look ugly from the front and back. I don't know what's going on. Mustangs actually look sad with the new hood. They look better before, more aggressive looking. No hate to none of them. I like them both, but this looks just way better. The wide body makes it look aggressive, better stance. You can handle this car very well if you got a driver mod. If not, you're gonna crash just like a Mustang. This, I don't have to build anything on the outside. Looks, engine-wise, performance, yes. That's gonna get upgraded. Used cars, yeah. Could've gotten a Hellcat, but is it really reliable? What about the previous owners? How much did they launch it? Those are the type of questions you gotta ask yourself, and if you really want, you know? Gas mileage, guys, it's sufficient. I live in California, and I could go to Vegas and still have a quarter tank left. That'll be on eco mode. You don't get a V8 to be driving like a grandma, so, you know, you gotta step up your game and do what you like.
So the Scat definition is to move faster. The Scat Pack, it has this B on the side. The Brembo kit is same thing as Hellcats. The sway bars, the shocks, the suspension system, everything is Hellcat except lacking supercharger, but is a bigger displacement. That means it's gonna take off from stainless steel faster than Hellcat even. Let me know down in the comment below actually which car would you like to get in order to modify it. Come in the front and you will see the lights and the hole over here so it can grab more air, vacuum a lot more air so it gets air from pretty much everywhere, from here on top of the hood, and the hot air gets out over here from this vent. Everything looks really great right off from manufacturer.
What's up, YouTube? So right here we got the SRT dashboard on eco mode. It also comes with valet mode if you want to turn down the horsepower so your girlfriend doesn't be stepping on your car, messing up the car, you know. And then we got custom. I have it on street and traction on sport. You know, sometimes I want to not have too much power, but be able to lose traction. And, you know, also sport mode. Oh, here, this is good. Great for downshifting. You'll hear the rumble. Sometimes it pops. And then we got the track mode, obviously for the canyons. You're not trying to lose any type of traction. The steering wheel, however, it also becomes more stir. This is where you can limit the performance of the car. This is the launch control. Honestly, I haven't really been using this. Every time I use it, I spin out like crazy. So it also has line lock. That's for the people that don't know how to do a burnout. So basically it does it for you. Shift light, I have them on high, obviously, because I'm trying to get the most out of this car. But you can also, you know, turn it down if you want to shift early. You're not trying to overdo your car at every gear. But who wants that? Come on, man. This is what Chevy owners and Ford owners wish they had. You can see your power, your torque, oil pressure. You can see your, you know, all your forces, your timers.
It's onboard OBD2 basically.
Yeah, pretty much.
Wow.
It gives you the options for all your gauges. You can have all your G-force there, engine, and then obviously dyno. You could be driving around and it literally will tell you how much your car's making without taking it to the dyno.
Oh, it's a live dyno.
Yeah, so this is one of the best features.
Crazy. 50 grand MSRP. Sport mode, right? Track mode.
You're gonna spin out on a turn.
It's a little bit less visible than Charger. Wow, right off the bat, this car really jumps. Hellcat doesn't jump like this actually. That we tried the Hellcat Charger, if you guys remember, you can click over here on this card. This feels faster right from the standpoint. It jumps again. The Hellcat doesn't have that jump. Let's see what it does on the corners. There is more body roll than Charger Hellcat. And I honestly, I don't know. I think it's just the design. I feel the front is heavier than the back, and the back is a little bit more loose than Charger Hellcat. But honestly, like the fun wise, this is a lot more fun. Throttle response is better and more natural because it's NA, right? It's NA engine. The transmission is really shifting pretty quick. The 2018 Charger Hellcat wasn't as responsive to the throttle as this. Hugo wants to do the twin turbocharge on this.
Yes, sir.
That's gonna fly. From a standpoint, still, it just wants to fly. It's a bit even comfier than the Charger Hellcat. They changed the steering wheel, now it's a little bit thinner, so it fits right in your hand very well. It's sticky enough, looks pretty good, better than the 2018 one. Whoa. Oof. Nice. Man, I grab this over Charger Hellcat anytime, any day. This one that we are sitting in is 50 grand. The starting price of the Charger Hellcat wide body right now is over 70 grand. Does it worth it that much money? So the braking, guys, is 6-piston in the front, 4-piston in the back. Brembo, same thing as a Hellcat, Charger and Challenger. They are doing pretty good job. This thing is sitting around 4,200 pounds, whereas the Charger Hellcat is close to 4,600 pounds. So that's a heavier car. The handling wise, still a Dodge, and they just rather to keep working on the engine and the power. There is pretty much no noise coming inside from the road. All right, acceleration. This will definitely beat the Hellcat from a standstill point, up to probably 40-50 miles per hour. Then Hellcat Supercharger is gonna definitely kick. Technology and infotainment looks really modern. I love the dash over here, the tachometer, speedometer. It looks even better than Charger, I would say.
It's more isolated to the driver.
Right,
rather
correct.
than the Charger has more space here.
I couldn't expect this much fast shifting on this car, but actually it exceeded my expectations. The people who want more fun, you guys gotta give it a try with the Scat Pack Challenger. What do you guys think? If you're going to drag race this car, what car would you like to go against with? Leave the comments down below. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon so you can get notified each time we upload a video. I'm gonna put the Hugo's Instagram on the screen right here. Definitely we're gonna have more videos, more episodes after the mods. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere, and thanks for watching.